Well, good morning, everyone. I'm by myself today, as you can see, and I'm also gearless. Just doing a 14-mile ride over to the wildlife safari park of Dubai with 3,000 animals. I was looking at my week. I'm going to try to be quick here. I was looking at my week, and we're doing a lot of touristy stuff, but it's all more cultural stuff as opposed to like, you can only do this in Dubai. And so, like, you know, we're not doing Burj Khalifa, we're not doing camel rides, not doing the Dubai Mall, not doing the old downtown, old city. We're not doing anything with wild animals like giraffes or lions or stuff like that, you know, ox. Not doing hookah or kind of traditional style cafes, coffee, teas, you know, anything like that. And also not doing anything that's, there's a very large Pakistan community in Dubai, Pakistani community. And I was hoping to have some Pakistani food as well. I also wanted to just experience more of the culture, the local nightlife culture. And today is going to be Grand Mosque, which is very cultural. But it's going to be a 400-kilometer day. A lot of time riding on the interstate. And so I said I'm going to take a day off to myself and and do something more for myself. And they were like, yeah, that sounds fine. Do that. Enjoy. Have fun. There was no stress about it. But I have my own bike. And also, I won't have my own bike as of Saturday afternoon. And so I want to do some stuff while I still have a motorcycle. So getting over to Burj, getting to the wildlife safari, maybe going to the some of the beach developments here where they've literally made islands. Getting to some of those, it's easier on a motorcycle. So I'm gonna have a personal day. It's also election day in America, and I just don't know if I want to sit in a mosque. It just doesn't feel like I'm not going to be able to appreciate it as much. It's going to be constantly looking at my phone. And so if I could look at some giraffes and some water buffalo, that sounds like a lot of fun.
Their population back in 2000 was extremely while they were very less in the number. But with that,
well, that was a lot of fun. So, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours? I really took my time though, but I was told it was an all-day thing. And, you know, that's all day on a Saturday or Sunday, but, you know, basically no one. I mean, there's a lot of people here, but it was really, really easy. I got to see everything, literally everything. And now I'm heading to Dubai Mall. There's a parking area there. It's free parking, or I think it's free. Because they want you to go to Hermes and buy a purse. But I'm going to walk up and see what tickets are available for the Burj Khalifa. It's expensive this time of day. It's like $150 instead of $110 because people want to catch the sun, the golden hour, soon. But I don't know. I'm not going to be here again. Probably not going to be here again. Or if I am, it's for business, and I won't really have time to go do stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably pay the $150. Go to the very top. I actually have 95 Ks of range, so I'm going to stop and get some gas. That way tomorrow I'm not making people wait for me. Hot. Oh, is it on? I'm sorry. Oh, it's a camel! It's a camel! Just, it's a camel. Taking a left, which might not be possible with, we'll see if I can if I can merge in here. Yeah, so here naming rights don't actually go to you don't go to the, like, you don't sell naming rights to the building based on like tenancy or anything. It's based on the developer. So Emir and Damak are the developers of these buildings, the constructors, and they are the ones that are on the buildings, not the largest tenants. So if a bank has 20 or 30 floors and can get naming rights to the building, it's not really the case here. You just see MR and Demic everywhere. I was afraid of that, but motorbikes are fine. Hopefully there's motorcycle parking here. I don't know the differences, but we made it. New Apple Store, checked off the list. This place is wild. Just a lot of concrete. Food is downstairs. Champagne is good. There's food. The macaroons. There's macaroons. Macaroons.
Oh, thank you.
Das ist schön.
Oh mein Gott, ich kann aber nicht.
Hast du deine Karte?
Was?
Hast du deine Karte?
Ja, meine Karte habe ich.
Halt mal meine bitte.
Guck mal für mich bitte.
Mach ich.
Oh, there you go. There's the top of it. I actually walked down 2 floors to get here, so wow. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. I've been out here for close to 2 hours. I've had a lot of booze and a lot of food. But it's very relaxing up here actually. It's like an airport lounge. It's that kind of environment. And yeah, it's time to go. Nighttime is different.
Just in time to see the sparkle. Beautiful. Good timing, Adam. I like Bellagio more. By the way, Amish Paradise is playing on my headphones. Just random shuffling of Amish Paradise. I feel like I walked like 10 miles today. I walked like 10 miles today. It's held the eclipse. I'm sorry, the frame. It's called the frame, and it's you can go up there if you want to, but after Burj, I don't know if I could. If anything is going to top that. I was telling Heather on a text message that, like, I'm glad I did Eiffel Tower in September because Burj Khalifa in October. Dira? Yeah. Burj Khalifa in October, as it beat. I've done, you know, Sears Tower, and I've done Chrysler Building and Empire State Building, and Eiffel Tower, and now I've done Burj Khalifa, and man, it's you got it, boys. Do it up. Got food to deliver. One. Dos. Trace. Alright, well, we're back at our hotel now. I'm tired. I think it's like 10 o'clock. 9 or 10 o'clock. And I'm ready to I'll lay down. I got a lot of photos edited actually from this week.